If you're watching this, please know that the world has probably come to an end. Chef Terry has made a quiche. That is what onion pie basically is, a quiche. Know this, I will survive making a quiche. I've made them before, and the world hasn't come to an end for that. But I'm afraid this is the time. If not, maybe I'll make another one. One of the things you're going to find when you look at recipes, do some research on the internet and cookbooks in general, is that your recipes are going to be all over the place. You'll find that depending on who you go to, they're going to have a different egg to dairy ratio. They're going to have different types of onions. I saw some that prescribed only Vidalia onions. That's okay. That's what makes this recipe so good. It's versatility. You can do just about anything you wanted with this. Now, were the bacon and the cheese standard? No. But I wanted to put it in there because I couldn't eat that all myself and I didn't want to throw it away, and the kids wouldn't eat it without bacon. I suppose the dog would have helped. I found out just the other day that a friend of mine, Joy Carrazzo, is on YouTube. She has her own YouTube channel called The Modern Unicorn. Go ahead and check her out. I'll put a link down below. While you're down there, go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And don't worry, I will survive. Is that a zombie squirrel on my deck?